Hi, I'm Ray. We're in the greenhouse today and we're going to do some August flowers. So I'm going to show you what we can sow and grow in August in the UK. So I've got some pots and I've made up a potting mix, and we've got 2 pots of compost, 2 pots of cocoa coir and a pot of perlite all mixed together, and we've got our seed starting mix. So I'm going to show you what we're going to grow, and there's a few seeds that we can start in August. Most of these are direct sowing, so most of these can be done in August, and there's a few that were down for July, but as the weather's been miserable in the whole of July, we can still probably get away with doing them in August. So the first one we have is a Gachet Golden Jubilee, and a seed scented perennial flower in their first year and becomes a magnet to beneficial insects, perfect for mixed borders. And then the next one we've got is Forget-Me-Nots, a hardy biennial, flowers the year after sowing, a natural companion for spring bulbs, easy to grow for beds and borders. That's Forget-Me-Not. And the next one we got is a Sweet William, early summer scented. There's the fragrant cut flowers in late spring and early summer, sow in rows in the vegetable garden just after cutting. Colour combinations are rich and varied. We had some Sweet Williams in the allotment and they were really good. The next one we got is Gale-Ardia, a hardy perennial, flowers in the first year from early sowing, large vibrant flowers on bushy compact plants, grow in the garden, borders, pots or containers. The next one we got is Calendula, traditional garden flower, ideal to start with children's interest in gardening. Bright shades of yellows and oranges, very easy to grow. So direct and weed free, about 1.5 centimeters deep. Next one we got is foxglove, and we've got primrose carousel. Plants approximately 30 inches high, therefore remarkably dwarf, excellent for borders, beds and containers. Also sensational when planted in drifts in cottage garden borders. And we've liked the old foxgloves. And now for August sowings, we've got poppies, and we've got Iceland mix. This is a beautiful silky flowers, bursting with colour and vibrancy. Easy to grow in flower beds and borders. Prefer light, well-drained soil and in full sun. This can be sown August, September, and then the following year, February, March, April. And next we got is a candy tuft. This is very easy to grow, hardy annual, flowers quickly from seed. Excellent in flower beds and a border filler. Lovely flowers in shades of red, pink, lavenders and whites. This can be sown August, September, and then again in the following year, April, May. And then we've got calendula. We've got some calendula on the allotment and it's looking really good. And this is Art Shade Mix, lovely yellows and oranges. It's a robust, large blooms, good for cutting and look great in the annual border. Prefer sunny position and well-drained soil. Next we've got is wildflower corn poppies, and this is a hardy annual, and the corn poppy is a rare sight nowadays, dancing scarlet blooms and self-seeding. So we're going to do this, direct sow it in the garden. And next we've got is Love in the Mist, and this is Mist Jekyll, and it's a nigella. It's sky blue flowers with feathered foliage, grows quickly with masses of flowers and superb decorative seed pods. This can be sown April, August, September, October, and then flowers the following year. And also pansies. If you want to do some winter pansies, it's a great time to do them now from May right through to August. And this is Rocco Mixed. The dramatic pansy had strong colour and contrast to garden displays. Versatile and long flowering, Can be grown as annuals, biennials or perennials. So I'm going to start some pansies for the garden. And the next one we got is Clarkia, a hardy annual. Can be sown where it is to flower. Easy to grow classic cottage garden plant for borders. Pretty stems of double and semi-doubled ruffled blooms. So there we go, we've got a few options we could grow in August. So I'm going to start a few in my pots and get a head start for the following year. So let me know in the comments, what are you growing in August? Have you got any flowers going? That'd be great to see. Leave me a comment in the comment below and that'd be great. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So, cheers for now. Better get sowing. Cheers.